All right, this tutorial's on how to use the trig modifier. The first two parameters, make sense, offset, speed. Now the next two, this is how you change just I guess how the curve, how the mesh deforms, along what axes. So along means it'll move along this axis, but it needs to know based off of what. And so that's the bi-axis. So right now it's saying based off of where it is on the x-axis, so by where it is on the x-axis, move up and down on the y-axis. So you could say move up and down based on where it is on the z-axis. So now as we go, from backward to forward, it's going up and down. We could say based on where it is on the x-axis, move based on where it is on the z-axis, move left and right. So as we're going forward and backward, or as we're going forward, it goes left and right. So hopefully, that makes sense. This is where it moves. This is how it moves. And obviously, you can change the amplitude, change the frequency, get some goofy stuff. And then you can even say, use world position. So you gotta move it along. So you move it along the bi-axis for it to have a change, and then you can say cosine wave, or for some reason if you want to use a tangent wave, sine wave is fine for pretty much every single scenario unless you just really want that tangent effect. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. That's it.